bring anyone down, and I just want to speak the truth about as to what happened. I have nothing against Yuvraj Singh, as which has been portrayed, and no, Yuvraj Singh hasn't reacted to anything because I have not said a single word that is a lie. It's Shabnam Singh who's made my life hell. Like literally, if fame or anything of that sort or money that I was looking for, then I would stay in that family, right? Why would I run away from that family? I would have gotten a great head start. I wanted to make it on my own after I got out of the marriage. I was there in Bombay for 1 year. I was struggling, and I was knocking down to each and every audition house and everything the normal way. But you know how the industry works. You have to either compromise or it's already people who've been listed, they get in. Yes, of course, so many. There were so many people, but then you can't tell who's genuine, who's not, and that wasn't my path. I wasn't ready to compromise on my integrity for the sake of work. If I have to get work, it has to be on the basis of my talent, and if I have talent, then I should get work. If I don't have talent, then it's not my field, right? I would refuse any offer that was based on the casting couch. They were like, you can go stay here and go there, here. I said, no, thank you. No, I don't resent that. 2 weeks was a very, very short period for me to really represent who I am, and I'm not the kind of person who reacts or does things just for the sake of television. मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा कैमरा में नहीं देखने को मिला लोगों को, तो इसलिए 2 weeks में मैं ख्याल से लोगों को कनेक्ट भी नहीं कर पाई, एंड प्लस बाहर इतनी कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही थी जिसके लिए मैं रिस्पॉन्ड भी नहीं कर पा रही थी. वो मेरे को बाहर आके ही पता चला कि बाहर ऐसे ऐसे रिस्पॉन्सेस आए, एंड आई हैव नॉट हिडन दैट आई यूज्ड टू स्मोक पॉट. Even I knew my Instagram was open before I left, so I have always been open about who I am, what I am. I've never hidden anything. I'm not ashamed of it. The divorce petition which she has filed has said that non-consummation of marriage, which clearly proves that if I had done as I was asked to, like have kids, then my life would have been ruined, right? See, basically, my husband and I didn't connect on any level whatsoever. Like whether it was mentally, emotionally, or physically. हम लोग साथ में अगर कहीं जाते थे तो मेरी मदर इन लॉ बोलती थी चलो एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ो, चलो किस करो. अब ऐसे आप किसी को फोर्स थोड़ी ना कर सकते हो. ये सारी चीजें नेचुरली होती हैं. He also has to make me feel like a woman, right? I need to feel like a lady, that I'm his woman, rather than I'm not going to go and pounce on him. Hello, let's have sex or something like that, right? I need him to make me feel loved or make me feel like okay, he is my man. He's supposed to be the person that I fall back on, right? Being a husband.
Yeah.
But अगर वो comfort level ही नहीं, हम सोते भी थे तो हमारे बेड के बीच में वो पिल्लोज लगे हुए होते थे. After a while, I used to be sleeping on the ground floor and he used to sleep on the first floor. No.
Okay.
Nothing. It was very uncomfortable. Like it wasn't like, even if I'm more comfortable with a person who's my friend than I was with my husband. There has to be an energy that you feel attracted. There has to be some sort of attraction that takes place that for you to even get physical with someone, right?
Right.
So that kind of feeling was also not there. And I'm not blaming him for anything, but I think that he could never man up to it. He was after me to have that, right? I've already stated that I was told that if I want any sort of financial freedom or any sort of freedom,
Yeah.
that I have to consummate my marriage, and that kind of mental pressure really got on to me because बार-बार बोलते रहना कि करो 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 करो, तो वो एक अलग से वो मन करता है कि क्यों इतना ऐसे फोर्स कर रहे हो. ये चीज नेचुरली होती है किसी भी मैरिज में. ये पुराना जमाना थोड़ी ना कि आप बस शादी होगी तो बस करना ही करना है. पीछे पड़ोगे तो किसी के, तो वो ऑब्वियसली किसी को हिट करेगा. इससे अच्छा तो मैं प्रेफर करूंगी, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा कि मतलब प्रोस्टिट्यूशन और इसमें क्या डिफरेंस हुआ फिर. I did not file for divorce. I just ran away from the house. Shabnam Singh filed for the divorce. My husband has no say. Like वो mama's boy है completely. He showed concern. He was once he was like, okay, तुम लोग जो भी करना है work. He told me we were in Malaysia, so he was like, I know my mother can get like on your case all the time, but थोड़ा सा just like be अपना try to just bear with it. In that way. So because obviously he did not know to the extent that I was being harassed, right? आप बताओ, एक 26-year-old man है और एक 23-year-old उसकी wife है, husband and wife है. उनकी मदर इन लॉ छोड़ने जा रही है उनको पार्टी से, मदर इन लॉ पिक करने आ रही है. शी वुड कॉन्स्टेंटली कीप कॉलिंग माई मॉम. अगर मैं सुबह 9 बजे नहीं उठी, अगर मैं गाने सुन रही हूँ अपने बाथरूम में, या मैं नहाना थोड़ी देर तक कर लिया, तो वो मेरी मॉम को कंप्लेंट चल जाती. सर्वेंट्स आर स्पाइंग ऑन मी, जो घर में कैमरास लगे हुए हैं उसके थ्रू देख रहे हैं. शी इज जस्ट नॉट अ पॉजिटिव पर्सन इन नेचर. इफ आई हैड टू सीक फॉर पॉपुलैरिटी, मैं तो फिर बनानी थी स्टोरीज, तो मैं यूवी से रिलेटेड स्टोरीज बनाऊंगी ना, उससे ज्यादा, उससे, बिकॉज सेलिब्रिटी कौन है उस घर में.